Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's D. Anthony here. Sorry for the delay in videos. Last week I was dealing with a cold, a flu, all of the above, right? You know, the full works. Chills, the sore throat, the headache. No, it was not COVID. I tested myself 2 or 3 times. I don't know what's going on. But let's look at the NQ. So when we're looking at the NASDAQ 100, we kind of see what happened last week. If you notice here on the screen, we're looking at the daily time frame. Now, if I go back to the date of January the 24th, we ran into this upper supply zone being the linear regression channel 50 at a high price of 17,793. Now, since touching those highs and since running into that supply zone, we've had a couple of down little days here. Now, again, that's not to say that, you know, the sellers are in control and there's no more buyers in the tape. But what it's to say is that losing this 5-day moving average could be the telltale sign that we're coming down to test some of these lower supports. Now, the support that I have that I would like to see get tested going into this week is going to be 17,309. That's the 10-day moving average. From there, I would like to see some type of consolidation and a bounce for the bulls to be healthy. If we do lose and close below 17,309, I would be looking at the next wave of selling coming into 17,048. Now, 17,048 is going to be this linear regression bottom channel as well as the 20-period moving average. Now, notice here on Friday's lows, 17,466. This is the price that I would like to see get confirmed. If we confirm 17,466, now remember, guys, we are trading futures. We are not trading stocks. We are not trading options. So we necessarily don't need the New York session to open. We don't need to wait for 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time before we can take a trade. If we start to confirm 17,466 in the overnight session, in the pre-market session, in any session, it is going to be a valid trade. Now, just keep in mind that you want to be taking profits into the 10-day moving average sitting down here at 17,308. Now, let's talk about to the top side. Let's say, for example, we have a big gap down or we have a nice wash off the open and there's no room left in the trade to take that short position. What I would be looking for and want to wait for is a confirmation over 17,632 before I want to get long. I need to see the bulls reclaim the 5-day moving average before I start to turn bullish on this tape. Now, it's not to say that I'm looking to short the whole market and I want to go short this, that, and the other, that, you know, we need to throw the baby out with the bathwater and everything's going to hell in a handbasket. What I am saying is that we could be looking at a little bit of a back test, and a back test is healthy for a healthy market. Now, if you kind of look at the left of the screen here, the left of the chart, you'll notice that going all the way back to October the 30th into November, we've essentially just been riding this nice wave higher here. So we're constantly making these higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So if we do pull back, I would look for the pullback into that 10-day moving average, if not somewhere close to 17,000. Now, anything below 17,000 would get a little bit more dicey for me. I can see it's potentially sliding all the way down into the 16,600s. That would be a significant pullback. It would be a pullback all the way into the 50-day moving average. It would be a sure as hell strong pullback for the bulls. But again, we are day traders. We're not really trying to project the forecast, you know, of what's going to happen in, 30 days from now, 60 days from now. All we realistically want to know is what could potentially be happening going into the next day's session. And the next day's session being Monday, what I'm looking for is that low price of 17,466 to get broken, and then I want to see some type of candle close below that and then get confirmed. Now, whether you're playing the 1-minute chart, the 5-minute chart, the hourly chart, the daily chart, doesn't really matter. Whatever time frame you're playing, that price needs to get broken. And then once that price gets broken and there is a new low that gets put in, your entry does not come in until we confirm the new low below Friday's lows. I hope that makes sense. If you guys do like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Again, sorry, my apologies that I was not very active on YouTube last week. Again, I was dealing with a little bit of an illness, but I'm getting better and I'm back, and I'm looking forward to getting back to work here on these charts and the trading. So expect a lot of videos, a lot of updates, a lot of things have happened over the past week. A lot of people are making some really good strides, passing prop firm evaluations and evolution traders. A lot of people are getting ready to almost take those payouts on multiple performance accounts with Apex in my room. So I'm very, very excited to see that happen for those traders. But again, like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys all in the next video.